Welcome to this video on the Botswana Pula. We will explore the history of Botswana's national currency, from its origins and introduction to the evolution of its coins and banknotes. The word Pula originates from Setswana and means rain. In Botswana's arid Kalahari environment, rain is considered a blessing that brings life and prosperity. Fittingly, the nation named its currency after this vital resource. The name for the currency's subunit, the thebe, means shield, representing protection for the nation. 100 thebe make 1 pula, and it was the public who chose these significant names for their money. Botswana introduced the pula on August 23, 1976, replacing the South African rand. With the rand losing legal status 100 days later, the nation successfully achieved its financial independence. The pula has seen various exchange rate regimes. Initially pegged to the US dollar, it was floated in 1979 and is currently pegged to a trade basket containing the rand and IMF special drawing rights. When the first coins were released in 1976, they utilized a variety of materials. The 1 thebe was minted in aluminium, the 5 thebe in bronze, and the 1 pula coin featured a distinctive 12 scalloped notch design. Rising costs necessitated changes in 1991. The bank replaced solid bronze with bronze-plated steel and cupro-nickel with nickel-plated steel. Additionally, the 1 pula coin was redesigned into an equilateral heptagon. In the year 2000, a bimetallic 5 pula coin was introduced. It features a cupro-nickel center depicting a mopane caterpillar on a branch, surrounded by an aluminium nickel-bronze ring. In 2013, a modern coin series was launched featuring the word heptagonal, which means to carry your own weight. All old coins were subsequently demonetized in August 2014. The first paper notes were issued in 1976. As the economy grew, the demand for higher denominations led to the introduction of 50 and 100 pula notes by 1993, while coins eventually replaced the smaller note denominations. Botswana launched a colorful new banknote series in 2009. This series introduced a 200 pula note with designs highlighting national leaders, diamond mines, and cultural scenes, such as a woman teaching pupils. To combat the rapid wear of paper currency in circulation, the bank introduced a durable polymer 10 pula note in 2018, which was later updated in 2020 to feature President Mokgweetsi Masisi. The pula commands strong regional respect. Other nations in the region, such as Zimbabwe and Lesotho, have incorporated the currency or the word itself into their own economic or cultural landscapes, honoring this shared blessing. The pula truly represents the journey of a strong nation. Its evolution reflects a path from foreign reliance to independent power, with coins and notes that celebrate deep cultural roots and serve as a tangible blessing for the people.